you're done. Come on. No. Who put that there? Today we are putting on the C3 handguards. These are awesome from C3, perfect for snow biking, super durable, smashes through the trees. Like, I have yet to break or even put a slight bend in any of them. So it's pretty simple. We have already got our C3 bracket in place that we put in our other video. And the bars from C3 are already threaded and sealed. So no liquid's going to leak out of these as long as they stay tight. And all we got to do is just mount the bars onto the end, bring them around the front to mark into the front, and then around to the other side. Okay, I've already cut my grips so that they're set in. Throttle works good. All my levers are in place. Really easy peasy. So we put the covers on last. Here are the bars that go across. And of course there's bags of hardware that come with these so that you don't have any issues with mounting anything. And that's all that stuff included there. And no drilling or tapping required. Everything is already done for you. There's even convenient Loctite already applied to the screws. So you're good to go. And we are ready. So we've got our inserts for the end of the bars. We've got our mounts bolts for the front of the bars on the main handlebar bracket. And then all these little guys here are meant for attaching the handguards on. They came stock with black C3 inserts. You can order all kinds of different colors. So this is super cool about C3. To get whatever color combination that you please. I'll be inserting the purple ones in to match factory plastics that come on the regular 500s, not the 6 days, and see how it goes. And I got the 6 days because it comes with a bunch of extras, and I love the orange frame, I think, and all the orange anodized stuff. Makes the bike look real sick, adds value. So let's get started. So you'll probably want to remove your headlight mask for this, so it makes it a little bit easier to get in there and you don't have to bending. Now with the KTMs, with this particular setup, the headlight mask will bend ever so slightly, not enough to do any type of damage. I'll just push it out just a bit, and that's fine. Okay, so now that we have the main bars on, big, beefy, get out of my way bars, I love them. Now we're going to just put on our plastic inserts. Woo! Without knocking my bike over. That wouldn't be ideal, would it? No. So,